Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. We have two rocks against a queen and we are winning. But you must find the only winning move to win this. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so we don't have that much moves. I mean that much candidate moves. You may just try to play these kinds of move to deliver checkmate on f8, right? So that would be nice, but now black would just move the king to g8 and this is defended and you can't deliver checkmate there, and you may just give this check, but the king will go back and this is going to be back and forth. So that is not the solution of the puzzle. It looks nice and it looks logical, but that is not the puzzle, the solution of the puzzle. First I thought this was the move, but that was a dumb idea because this is going to be a check. So my idea was, if the queen takes the rook, it would be just checkmate this way. I think that, but it comes with check, and that is absolutely make you lose. So the correct move is to play rook to b7. So with the same idea, but this time doesn't come with check, so you will get a time to deliver checkmate. So here, after you play rook to b7, black can't make a queen move that makes the queen out of the 8th rank, because this is going to be checkmate and we do have two checkmate traits. Meaning if the queen moves anywhere, we are going to just deliver checkmate on the 8th rank. So the queen must defend the 8th rank, right? The queen can't go anywhere, otherwise we just deliver checkmate. So the queen has these squares to defend the checkmate trait. So what do this is the trickiest, but if the queen moves to any of the other safest square, what we are going to do is give a check by playing rook to h7 and with follow-up of rook to g6. So this way the king would just lined up with a queen and that would be just perfect for us. So it doesn't matter where the queen moves here, we just do the same thing, right? So we can just give these kinds of checks and win the queen this way, and we can win a game with only a rook. But the challenge comes, what if after here, what if the queen moves there? So what do we do? So here the correct move is to play rook to f7. So if you had a chance, when I show you the first variation or the first candidate move, you see this idea, right? So to double up the rooks, eventually give a check or pin the queen. That way you would win a queen and one rook is enough for you to win the game, even though if you didn't checkmate the black king. So that is our idea, but now there is a different, right? There is a different in the position, because now the queen is on g8, meaning the king can't escape as previous, and this would be just winning, except the queen can play to g7, a clever queen sacrifice, and we can't even capture the queen. It's going to be just stalemate, and we don't want to do that, right? We don't want a draw stalemate. So instead after the queen moves to g7, what we are going to do is move the king to h5, the only winning move. And now black has to move with the king, but we would just capture the queen. It doesn't matter where black moves. As I told you, we can win with only a rook. Black can move to any of these squares, but we are going to capture the queen. And if black didn't want to move the rook, I mean the king, and if black want to move the queen can move to all of these squares, but all of them leads to a losing. So if the queen captures one of our rook, we are going to just capture the queen back. And even though this is not a stalemate, black can get to g8, and that is what our response would be. So if the queen goes back like this, we are going to give this check and win the queen. If the queen moves downward like this, we can just win the queen this way. So the king can move upward, but now it's inevitable to block with the queen. So this is how we are going to win if the queen moves downward this direction. So black can't escape a move, and we are going to just capture the queen in every way, and that is our idea. And this is the last remaining ideas with the queen, but that also we are not stalemating black. That is the main reason, and this is checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So for a recap, first we are going to play rook to b7, keeping the eye on the 8th rank. The queen can't capture it or move away, right? Because this would be just checkmate. So the queen stays on the file, and we just give a check and win the queen this way. So if the queen moves to d8, that would be a lot trickier. We are going to play rook to f7, and this is going to be the follow-up after black plays. So here this was the last trick, but we are not going to capture it. We just retreat, and black wouldn't have any trick after this. So guys, this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye.